Hello, in today's video I'll show you all three ways of taking a screenshot on a TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus. To take a screenshot, the first method is pressing on power and volume down button at the same time. Now it takes a screenshot and saves it in your gallery. As you can see, if I go to gallery, now I have all the screenshots that I have taken, including also photos and every other image files that I have on my phone. Now, if you'd like to capture it in a different way, you can use 3 fingers and slide them down from top to the bottom of the screen like that. Doesn't have to be from the very top, just top down like that, and it takes a screenshot as well. Now the third and last method is sliding down from the right top part of the screen. The left top opens notifications, the right top one opens the control center. Now there's the screenshot button. If you don't see it, you can click on this down arrow and you should be able to see it. If you still don't see it, you can click on 3 dots in the top right corner, click on edit shortcut switch, and it should be somewhere here. You should click on the plus to add it to the menu, and then it should be available here. Now when I can either just click on it to take that screenshot, or I could click on this little down arrow where it says screenshot and set it to partial screenshot or scrolling screenshot. I'll show you both of them. Partial screenshot lets me draw either a rectangle, a circle, or an irregular shape to take that screenshot. Just for fun, I'll do an irregular shape. And as you can see, I can now save it by clicking on this button, and now it's going to be saved in my gallery. Now the last one is the scrolling screenshot, which I can do by clicking here, scrolling screenshot, and now it will start scrolling automatically and capturing the whole page up to the very bottom. Then when I click on done, it will save it. Once I click on save, I could also crop it there. And as you can see, I have this scrolling screenshot that contains the whole page. That is the whole video. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.